Speaking about Samsung, they have apparently made a deal with LG to purchase a boatload of OLED panels.
Oh.
Which might be a surprise to you. You sit there and say, wait a sec, you're Samsung.
Yeah.
On a smartphone, you guys can't stop making OLED panels.
Uh-huh.
Let me tell you something, Will. It's hard to make these panels.
You got to grow them.
When you got the really big ones, like the one we have over there, which the people can't even enjoy right now.
Yeah, this one.
88 inches.
Yeah.
Incredibly more difficult to make than the small because you have more likelihood of imperfections and things like this. So they have the yield rate is much lower. They toss out a lot more. It's harder to do. Samsung was trying to do it at the large scale a while ago, and then they kind of gave up on that. And they tried promote and sell other technologies. You heard about the QLED stuff and things like this. And you want to know something, Will? I looked at all of it. And I am not surprised they want to cut a deal with LG because LG does it well. And up until this point, especially on the TV, I have yet to find a technology that is able to deliver in the way that OLED is able to deliver. I have not seen it. And so as Samsung sits around and figures out if they want to actually manufacture them on their own at some point, in the meantime, the customer is gravitating towards these panels. In fact, LG already sells panels to all kinds of brands. You know LG, they sell panels to Sony.
Right.
They sell panels to Vizio. Samsung come knocking, they're like, yo, we'll sell you a panel.
They're in the panel business.
Let me just give you an idea of scale here. Officials reportedly met recently to agree to the deal, which would see 1 million panels supplied to Samsung in the second half of this year, rising to 4 million panels next year. That ain't nothing. Millions of panels. So anyway, keep your eyes peeled because you're going to be seeing some Samsung products come on the market packing LG. You're going to see Samsung TVs packing LG panels.
Oh,
there's going to be millions of them coming up really soon. And who knows how they're going to market it or what the difference is or what kind of features that they put in there. But I don't mind this kind of stuff, cooperation. I'm not one of these people that is out there getting upset that these companies interact like this. Like, I don't, the whole fandom around one versus the other. Like, we just like the idea of this combat. Like, everybody's got a boxing match coming up. It's in a way, it's attractive to imagine everything as head-to-head versus mode. But in reality, there's so much stuff on top of other stuff. In reality, it's nothing is in a vacuum in this industry.
Yeah.
Whether it's the display that's in the iPhone or the communications components or the chipset or blah, blah, blah.
Yeah. Clearly, they figured out that OLED was superior. It's like, let's try to let's work it out.
OLED's nice.